Lesson number 12, percentage. In last lecture, we have learnt how to convert fraction into percentage and convert percentage into fraction. Now we will learn how to calculate percentage. Let us find the values of 64% of 150. 64% means 64 upon 100 of 150 is equal to 64 upon 100 into 150. The 0 gets cancelled. So we have 64 upon 10 into 15. So 5 2s are and 5 3s are 15. So 64 upon 2 into 3, 2 1s are 2, 32s are 64. Then 32 into 3 is equal to 96. Therefore, 64% of 150 is 96. Let us solve next one. 5% of 740. Therefore, 5% of 740 is equal to 740 into 5 upon 100. 5% means 5 upon 100. Let's cancel this 0. That is 74 into 5 upon 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then 74 upon 2. Then the answer is 37. Therefore, 5% of 740 is 37. Third example. 15% of 3520. 15% of 3520 is equal to 3520 into 15 upon 100. 15% means 15 upon 100. So this 0 gets cancelled. So we have 352 into 15 upon 10. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So 352 into 3 upon 2. Now we'll cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, then 2 6 are 12. That is 176 into 3 is equal to 528. Therefore, 15% of 3520 is 528. Fourth example, 25% of 60. So 25% of 60 is equal to 60 into 25 upon 100. This 0 cancel. 6 into 25 upon 10. So 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10. Then we have 6 into 5 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Therefore, 25% of 60 is 15. Now let us solve some word problem. You must have heard like Atul scored 75% mark or Arun passed with 94% marks. From the following example, you can learn how to calculate the percentage of marks. Example number 1. In the annual exam, Atul scored 476 out of 700 marks. What is the percentage of marks he scored? Let us suppose that Atul scored A% of marks. Now we will write in two form the ratio of marks and total marks obtained, and we'll get an equation to solve. Therefore, A upon 100 is equal to 476 upon 700. A upon 100 multiplied by 100, 476 upon 700 multiplied by 100, that is multiplying 100 on both the side. So this 0 cancel. A is equal to this 0 cancel. A is equal to 476 upon 7. So A is equal to 68. Therefore, Atul scored 68% of marks. Second example. Last year, Premi group planted 75 trees. Of these, 48 trees flourished. The Karamveer group planted 50 trees, of which 35 flourished. Which group was more successful in conserving the trees they had planted? Here we have to compare the two groups that which have given best performance. To find which group did well, we have to compare the number of trees to 100. That is, we will find percentage of both group of surviving trees. Let us suppose the surviving trees of Premi group are A% and that of Karamveer group are B%. The Premi's ratio of surviving trees to planted trees is A upon 100 and also in real 48 upon 75. That is 48 trees flourish out of 75. Therefore, we get the equation A upon 100 is equal to 48 upon 75. So 0 cancel. Here 5 15s are 75, 5 20s are 100. So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So A is equal to 48 upon 3 into 4. So 3 1s are 3, 3 16s are 48. So A is equal to 16 into 4. Therefore A is equal to 64%. The ratio of Karamvir surviving trees to planted trees is B upon 100, and also in real is 35 upon 50. That is 35 trees flourish out of 50 trees. B upon 100 is equal to 35 upon 50. 100 cancel. So B is equal to 35 upon 50 into 100. So 5 ones are 5 twos are 100, 5 tens are 50, 5 twos are 100, 20 is 100, 0 cancel. So we have B is equal to 35 into 2. 35 into 2 is equal to 70. So B is equal to 70%. Here Grebe Premi group surviving trees are 67% and Karamvir group surviving trees are 70%. Therefore, Karamvir group was more successful in conserving the trees they had planted. Example number 3. For summative evaluation in a certain school, 720 of the 1200 children were awarded a grade in maths. What is the percentage of students getting A grade? Suppose the students getting A grade are A%. Let us write it in two ways. The ratio of number of students getting A grade to the total number of students. Therefore, A upon 100 is equal to 720 upon 1200. Multiplying on both the side by 100, we get A is equal to 720 upon 12. Therefore, A is equal to 60. Therefore, 60% student got A grade. Example number 4. Soham received 40 messages on his birthday. Of these, 90% were birthday greeting. How many other messages did he get beside the greeting? So 90% of 40 was birthday greeting. Let us suppose 90% of birthday greeting be A. Therefore A is equal to 90% of 40. Therefore A is equal to 90 upon 100 into 40. 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. So A is equal to 9 into 4. Therefore A is equal to 36. Therefore 36 message was birthday greeting out of 40 messages. Therefore 40 minus 36 is equal to 4. Therefore 4 message was other than the birthday greetings. Example number 5. A certain organization adopted 18% of 400 schools in district. How many schools did it adopt? Let us write in two forms. The ratio of number of schools adopt to the total number of schools in the district. Here 18% means 18 schools adopted out of total 100. Total number of schools is 400. Suppose the number of schools adopted be A. Therefore A upon 400 is equal to 18 upon 100. Multiplying 400 on both the side. So this 400 gets cancelled. A is equal to 18 upon 18 into 4. This 0 cancel. So 18 into 4. So 18 4s are 72. Therefore the number of schools adopted is 72. Example number 6. There are 500 students in the school in Daihanda village. If 350 of them can swim, what percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? Suppose the student can swim be A%. The ratio of number of students can swim out of total number of students is A upon 100, and in real it is 350 upon 500. Therefore let us write in two forms. Therefore A upon 100 is equal to 350 upon 500. So multiplying on both the side by 100, this 100 cancel, this 20 cancel. So we got A is equal to 350 upon 5. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 7 are 35, and this 0. Therefore A is equal to 70%. Therefore 70% of students can swim, and 100 minus 70 is equal to 30. Therefore 30% of students cannot swim.